If you're looking for an easy, fun, seriously tasty campfire treat, this is one you've got to try. Today, we're making biscuit bakes. What you'll need. To make biscuit bakes, you'll need refrigerated biscuit dough, the kind that comes in a can. You'll also need a clean metal pole, campfire roasting stick, or even a metal skewer designed for cooking. For fillings, this is where you can get creative. You can use honey, jelly, cinnamon and sugar, butter, chocolate chips, or even some fruit filling. If you want to make it a savory treat, you can put a hot dog inside and turn it into a campfire pig in a blanket. Preparing the biscuit. Start by opening one biscuit and gently flattening with your fingers. Then wrap the dough around the end of the metal pole, leaving a small gap at the tip so it doesn't seal shut. Try to overlap the dough slightly as you wrap it. But don't make it too thick. Thinner dough cooks more evenly. Make sure the seams are pressed together so it doesn't unravel while cooking. Cooking it over the fire. When cooking biscuit bakes, you don't want big flames. The best heat comes from hot coals. Hold the biscuit just above the coals and slowly rotate the pole so it cooks evenly on all sides. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how hot your fire is. If the outside starts browning too fast, pull it back and let it cook slower. You want golden brown on the outside and fully cooked dough on the inside. Adding filling. Once the biscuit is cooked, carefully slide it off the pole. Now you've got a warm, hollow center perfect for filling. Add butter, honey, jelly, or cinnamon sugar for a sweet treat. If you enjoy this campfire recipe or learn something new, please leave a like, subscribe for more Alaska and beyond content. I appreciate you. We'll see you in the next one. Hot?
Uh-huh.
Just do it.
Mm-mm.
Here. Use this as like a net. Oh, what happened? Oh, the dog's down. It died. Oh no.